Ever want to simulate your embedded system before buying hardware? Imagine testing your designs without spending a dime. Test your Arduino ESP32 or Raspberry Pi in your browser for free. No more guessing games. Let me show you how to start. Hi, I'm Ashraf from the Educational Engineering team. With over 13 years of experience, I simplify embedded systems through practical step-by-step training. Design and test embedded systems using a web-based simulator. No downloads or hardware needed. Explore MicroPython, processor architecture, and real-time OS virtually. Why risk frying your board when you can test in a safe, unlimited environment? Simulate Arduino, ESP32, Raspberry Pi, and more. Analyze digital signals with a virtual logic analyzer. Share your project and get instant feedback, whether you're a student, hobbyist, or aspiring engineer. You'll gain confidence before going physical. Start building, testing, and refining your projects today.